So the next question is the risk of water. So looking at, we have done previously a risk of collapse. So now we are about to make sure that our trench doesn't have water. So what is happening here is that we keep excavation free from the water. That is our description. And we call it an item. Reason being, we simply do not know how much water will the excavation have. We can't quantify them, you understand, because it's something that can happen. It's also something that cannot happen during the process of building our foundation. So that is why it is an item. Then we are looking at the next question now. So the next question says measure the concrete foundation and cutaway. Okay, so for 1.3, looking at the specification, we need to describe, we need to describe our description as 15 MPa mass concrete foundation, because they told us to do a cutaway also. So that is why we're gonna do a cutaway and cut away the excess material. Now, looking at the information relating to a measuring of a concrete foundation, we will be taking the length of a foundation, then the width of a trench, then now the height will be the thickness of a foundation. So with this volume stands for the size of the concrete and also the size of the soil that was removed for us to create a space for a foundation. So that is why we are able to combine these two items, and unless if they are not the same, we were going to keep them separate. The reason why we combine them, it's simply because they share the same volume. For us to remove the length of 2168, the width of 0.6, the height of 0.2 for the material that to be cut away, it's the same volume that we're going to replace the cutaway with. So this is the reason why. So looking at the 1.4 says measure the foundation wall and